like a wedding veil,
and dances on the mud
with a voice like silver water
that calls you from the blood.
Deep within the trenches, where the whisper silently lay,
from the depths your name echoes, stirring just beneath her waves. Oh, siren of the Ohio, she sings where the barges used to go. Once you've tasted her muddy flow, she'll never let your spirit go.
She calls,
She calls
through the years,
through the rain.
the river still knows your name.
Old captains swear they hear her when the diesel engines die,
In the quiet of the evening,
when the whippoorwills cry.
they left her for the dry land,
Traded anchors for front doors,
but at night their beds feel empty,
and their hearts still walk her shores. Deep within her trenches, where the secrets never sleep,
she remembers every sailor
who gave their soul to keep. Oh, siren of the Ohio, she sings where the barges used to go. Once you've tasted her muddy flow, she'll never let your spirit go. She calls, she calls
through the years,
through the rain.
the river still knows your name.
She don't need no pretty face or golden hair to shine,
Just the pull of muddy water,
and the ache of a river tide.
some men fight her all their days,
Some men learn to drown,
but every soul that's touched her will forever